Welcome to a new era of transport in Bangladesh. Metro Rail in Bangladesh, a new era of modern transportation. The Metro Rail in Bangladesh marks a historic step toward modern urban transport and sustainable development. For decades, Dhaka, the capital city of Bangladesh, has been struggling with severe traffic congestion, air pollution, and loss of productivity. The introduction of the Metro Rail, officially known as the Dhaka Metro Rail, MRT, is one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in the country's history. It not only addresses traffic challenges, but also sets the foundation for a modern, fast, and efficient public transport system. Dhaka is one of the most densely populated cities in the world. Over 20 million people live in and around the city, and the lack of efficient transport systems has long been a serious obstacle. Roads are often clogged, with commuters spending hours stuck in traffic every day. To solve this problem, the government of Bangladesh initiated the Dhaka Mass Rapid Transit (MRT) project under the Strategic Transport Plan (STP). The Japan International Cooperation Agency (JICA) has been a key development partner, providing technical and financial assistance. Construction of the first line, MRT Line 6, began in 2012 and was inaugurated on 28 December 2022. Features of the Metro Rail: modern and efficient. The trains are fully air-conditioned, spacious, and designed for comfort and safety. High speed. Each train can run at an average speed of 40 kilometers per hour and a maximum speed of around 100 kilometers per hour, reducing long commutes to just minutes. Capacity. Each train set can carry up to 2,300 passengers, significantly reducing the load on Dhaka's roads. Environmentally friendly. Metro Rail is electric, producing less pollution compared to buses and cars, making it a sustainable solution. Digital ticketing. Smart card systems make the process faster and more convenient for passengers. Current progress: MRT Line 6. The first phase of MRT Line 6 runs from Uttara to Agargaon, covering about 11.73 kilometers. In the second phase, the line will extend to Motijil and eventually to Kamrangarchar, covering a total of 21.26 kilometers with 16 stations. Once fully operational, this line will serve over 500,000 passengers daily. With thousands of people using the metro daily, road traffic will decrease, saving time and fuel. By cutting down travel times, productivity increases and businesses can operate more efficiently. Environmental improvement: less reliance on cars and buses will reduce carbon emissions and air pollution. Modern urban lifestyle. It introduces Dhaka to a global standard of public transport, enhancing the city's image. Social impact. Commuter Challenges. High cost. The project requires massive financial investment, making ticket pricing sensitive. Integration with other transport. Metro rail must be connected effectively with bus routes, rickshaws, and other local transport for full efficiency. Maintenance. Continuous technical support and skilled manpower are necessary to keep the system smooth. Conclusion. The metro rail in Bangladesh is more than just a transport project. It is a symbol of the country's progress and modernization. It promises a future where Dhaka's endless traffic jams will no longer dictate the rhythm of life. Although challenges remain, the metro rail has already begun to transform urban commuting, offering hope for a cleaner, faster, and more efficient Bangladesh. The metro rail is more than just a train system. It's a symbol of Bangladesh's progress. While challenges remain, the future of commuting is already changing before our eyes. So next time you ride the Dhaka Metro Rail, remember, you're not just taking a journey, you're witnessing history in motion.